Lei hou ma, that's us going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Will Yeung. I was out shopping, and I found these. Let's give it a try. This is Beyond Steak, plant-based seared steak tips. According to the back of the package, the instructions recommend to not microwave or boil this. There's two methods to cooking it. There's an air fryer method, which is about 350 degrees for 4 to 5 minutes. And there is a stovetop skillet method, cooking for about 5 minutes. We're going to use a stovetop method today. I'm going to try these in a simple taco, so we're going to make a very easy, quick, delicious chimichurri sauce first. Finally, chop up a 1 cup worth of flat leaf parsley. The parsley adds a fresh base to the chimichurri, and it really livens up the green color, as you'll see. Transfer the parsley into a mixing bowl. Grate in 2 pieces of garlic. Grating the garlic will add bold flavor and aroma. Two tablespoons lemon juice. About a 1/3 cup of olive oil that will be fruity and peppery. About a 1/2 teaspoon of flaky salt. A pinch of chili flakes. A pinch of dried oregano. 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika. Give it a stir to combine all those amazing flavors. The chimichurri should keep fresh refrigerated for about a week or 2, but it'll probably be finished before then. One onion diced. I reckon this package of steak tips should make enough for about 6 to 8 tacos. Mash up 1 large avocado and set it aside. Non-stick pan, medium-high heat, 1 teaspoon avocado oil. Carefully add in the steak tips. The package instructions says to cook from frozen for about 5 minutes on medium heat, stirring frequently. I'm cooking them on medium-high heat, stirring frequently, hoping to see some nice color. About 5 to 6 minutes, the kitchen smells quite nice and I am seeing some nice color. The steak tips do look slightly on the drier side. I think adding slightly more oil might have helped. Perhaps a little bit of chili oil next time. I'm making some very simple tacos today by spreading some avocado on some corn tortilla, followed by the Beyond steak tips. The freshly diced onion, and a nice spoonful of that chimichurri sauce. Visually looks stunning. Alright, let's give these a try because they smell and look really good. Wow, that really does taste like steak. The flavor, the substantial chewy texture. I turned the heat up a little bit and cooked it a little bit longer as well, just to give it that crispy edge. But flavor-wise, it really does have that steak flavor. Has a lot of umami. If I really think about the texture, it kind of almost tastes like mushroom, but it does have a very substantial chewiness. I'm really blown away by the flavor and texture. It really does taste like steak, and it makes a very good taco with the raw onion and the chimichurri. Just so fresh and bright and earthy at the same time. That is a pretty impressive product, I would say. I'm impressed. If you've tried this product or like me to try other products, definitely let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And if you're not already subscribed, be sure to do so that we can cook together in the next episode.